Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today I'm gonna make chill milk pudding dessert. But before we start, don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment. We mix 1 tablespoon agar-agar with half cup water and mix it until the agar-agar dissolve. Take medium size pot and pour 1 liter fresh milk, and we add 5 tablespoons sugar. Stir until the milk boil. Once the milk boil, we add the agar-agar. Guys, I mistaken by putting 1 tablespoon of agar-agar, so I add 1 packet of agar-agar. There is 148 gram. We cook until agar-agar dissolve in low flame. Once it cooked, we turn off the flame and we add 30 gram raisins and 50 gram dried cherries. Mix it for a while. Then we pour it into glass bowl mixer, keep it aside, let it cool down, and put in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. While we are waiting for the milk pudding chill in a refrigerator, we prepare the red color agar-agar. Add 3 tablespoons sugar in 500 ml water and add in 1 teaspoon food coloring, red color. Once it boils, we add in 200 gram agar-agar. Stir it until agar-agar dissolve and turn off the flame. Keep aside to cool down. Once cool down, we pour the red agar-agar underneath and on top of the milk pudding. Then we leave it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to get hard. Thank you for watching my video, and thanks to all my new subscribers. Don't forget to click like, subscribe and share my video to all your friends in social media and your family members. See you next time. Stay at home and stay healthy.